In the start of this movie, we see a man and his wife. They were getting ready for going to an island. Actually, the man was the teacher and he was going there for teaching the kids of that island. Driver tells the man that the population of that island is very low because of flood last year. Suddenly, the woman hears a strange voice. When she looks outside the window, then she sees a flying female head. She gets very scared. She tells others about this, but no one believes on her. They all try to comfort her. The condition of the lady was getting very bad, so they stopped the car. After some time, they all hear some strange voices in the bushes. When they see, then they find out that a coffin was coming towards them. They all get very frightened. They sit in the car and go from there. In the morning, they reach at a village where they eat food, and after that, they continue their journey. They use a boat for going to the another village. After reaching there, when they were passing through the forest, then they see many coffins were hanging on the trees. The woman was getting very upset after seeing them. On the way, they see a lady. They ask the address of school from her. After coming to the school, they meet with the principal. He shows them their staying place and he also does lunch with them. Principal spends most of his time with them. He tells about details of some students of the school to the teacher. After that, he goes from there. At night, when the man and his wife were sleeping, then someone knocks the door. When the man opens the door, then he sees a strange lady who comes inside the room and puts her hand on his wife. After this, she goes from there. In the morning, the teacher tells about this to the principal. He tells them that she does this with every new person, so you should not to be worried. After that, the man and his wife start their duty. When the lady was teaching the students in the school, then she sees some demons of dead students. She also sees the shadow of the man behind the curtain. But when she checks, then no one was there. Next day, the man and his wife were playing with the students in the school. Then suddenly they see a tambi near tree. They also hear a strange voice from the classroom. When they go there to check, then they see a girl who had broken the roof and now she had gone inside. The man tries to save the girl, but the girl was in a strange condition. The girl tries to scare the man. The man was not understanding that now what should he do? He also hears the scream of the woman from the other room. Actually, there were many spirits of dead children in the classroom. One strange girl was pointing to her stomach and says that sacrifice, sacrifice. The woman gets very scared. She also feels pain in her stomach. After some time, the girl who was in a strange condition loses her senses. At night, a strange woman breaks the window of the woman's room and comes inside. Actually, she was a spirit. When she attacks on the woman, then she awakes. Actually, the woman was seeing a dream. She was very frightened. Then the man comes to comfort her. Next morning, principal comes to talk with the man. The man and his wife go to meet with the girl whose name was Meena. Actually, she was a magician. She holds the hand of the woman to check that what is wrong with her. Then she tells her that she is pregnant. The village head gets very angry by hearing this, because before some months, someone told the village head that a pregnant woman will come to this island, and because of her, spirits will be more powerful and take control on the complete island. Meena says a man to boil some leaves. On the other hand, the woman's condition gets very strange. After drinking the water of the leaves, she gets better. All the villagers decide to kill the woman. One night, the man and his wife hear some very strange voices outside their home. They were frightened badly. Many strange things happen with the woman. After some days, the man gets to know that Meena is the spirit who wants to kill the child of the woman to become more powerful. So he kills her. After this, all the things get normal in the village. The man and his wife were very happy. But in the last scene of the movie, we see that a lady whose face was covered, she was trying to alive Meena's head. And here movie ends. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe for watching more videos like this.